Google Docs is a very functional and powerful word processor, but it's not really a desktop publisher, and if you wanted to work more heavily with graphics and objects, then you're probably better off using something different. I think the best bet is to use Google Slides, but you can change your slide size to A4 so that you're working on something that prints more easily. I'm going to show you how to do that. Here I've got a blank presentation open in Google Slides. I simply click on the File menu, go down to Page Setup, and then change the size to Custom. Here I need to put in the dimensions for A4. These are, if you want them exact, 21 centimeters by 29.7 centimeters. I click OK, and now you can see that my page has become A4. And if I want to add objects and things to my page, most of this will be done through the Insert menu. I can click on Insert, and here you can see I can add images, shapes, charts, etc. And I've got word art there if I want to do some nice titles. If I want to publish or print the work that I've been doing in Google Slides, one easy way of doing this is to convert it to a PDF, and this can easily be done again from the File menu by going to File, Download As, and choosing PDF.